Welcome and talofa. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 22. I'm Maurice, and this week's function is st_translate. Now, what is st_translate? It's a function that we can use to move or translate a geometry, either vertically in the y direction or horizontally in the x direction, any number of units. Let's pop into PSQL and have a look at the function signature. There are two variants. Both take the geometry to be moved or translated, and then the options are 2 doubles or 3 doubles. The first variant takes x and y, and the second variant takes x, y, and z if you want to move into the third dimension. Let's do a simple example. I'm going to use xt as text. Then we're going to do st_translate. And finally, st_makePoint. We're going to make a point at 10, 10. We're going to translate that point by 10 units horizontally and 10 units vertically. So we should end up with a point at 2020. Ta-da! Perfect. All right, that was a simple example. Let us get a little more exotic and pop into QGIS. So I have here a vector layer of some polygons. These are Jamaican parishes, even though it may look a bit dodgy with the funny lines, but we keep moving. We're going to translate 2 parishes. So let us do now we're going to set the geometry equal to st_translate, G for geometry, and we are going to move Clarendon south by about 20 kilometers. So we're going to do 0 because we don't want to move it in the x direction, and then negative 20,000 for the y, and we're going to say where parish equals Clarendon. Ta-da! Similarly, we can try and change Trelawney and move Trelawney about 20,000 meters north. Let's make it 40. Ta-da! All right. All right, there you go. That is st_translate. I hope you all learned something. This was short and sweet, and I will catch up with you next week. Bye!